Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to play music offline with Spotify. So let's get started. We must go to the Spotify app and open it. And when you open the application, of course, you will see the home screen. And here you will choose the music that you want to listen to offline. So, for example, if you want to listen to the song, for example, Ghost of You offline, just click on the three dots in front of the song and then click on download. And here, when you go to your library, as you can see, there is downloaded songs. Click on it, and here all the songs that you will download, you can listen to them without internet and you can play them offline. Of course, to download music, you must have a premium account, Spotify premium account, because the free accounts can't download music and can't play music offline. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like the video, and see you in the next one.